Hey guys, welcome. We are sitting in my 2007 Toyota Yaris right now. The reason we're in here is we're going to be replacing the climate control bulb. So when it's dark, I can't see where the climate setting's at because that bulb is burned out. So we're going to take care of that today. In a previous episode, I've already done where the fan control is at. So this one here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the I don't know. In the Ford, that's called Max Air. I don't know what it's called in this. Maybe it's Max Air too. But we're going to be fixing on this one today. We'll see. We might just replace this while we're in there. Let's go ahead and get into it. We need to start by just take and pull these out. They pull straight out. Oh, it's cold outside, so I have a little gun shy pulling these apart. And I'm just going to try to barely pull this straight up and just leave it like that, because I don't really want to mess with all this up here. And we just, I don't know, hopefully you saw that. We just pull straight out right here on these corners, and those go into these little square holes, rectangle holes actually. I get a lot of people asking for more on these, so we're gonna figure it out today. I think what we need to do is pop this back piece off of here. We just gotta push that in gently, and there's another one on the opposite side. Actually, I'm gonna also remove this little, these are cables, not wires. Okay, just kind of like that. Okay. And I think that is our bulb right down inside there. It sure does look like it. So let's see. I got a 3/16 screwdriver flathead. Let's see if that'll, yep, it does fit in there. We're just going to take and spin that out and carefully turn this over. Here's our bulb. This has a little green cover on it. You haven't watched the other video yet, and it's fairly stuck on here when you get this out, and you just got to kind of work with it, slowly peel it off so you don't tear it. And we're just going to take that thing, set it up here for a second off the side. I've only been able to find these original bulbs that come in the housing directly from Toyota, and they're rather expensive. They're about $5-6 a piece. I will put that part number down in the description. Maybe you'll have better luck finding an aftermarket solution than I did. I didn't want to pay $5 a piece for these things, so I searched for a different solution. Either way, this video will help you to know the location and how to get to the bulbs. So what I found were dash bulb lights for a Chevy truck, and I will put a link to those in the description. All right, so I pulled the bulb out of there. You can see there's 2 holes down in there. We got to bring the legs off of one of these bulbs and then wrap it around. If you look right here, those grooves, that is where it makes contact with this board right there. 2 copper contacts right there. So now I'm going to pull one of those bulbs out of the bag and kind of fish it around here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So just for reference, the one on the right is the original bulb. So as you can tell, the one on the left is just a smidge longer. All right, this is what we come up with. It is a smidge longer, but it's going to work out just fine. And then we're just going to drop this back in. Oops, a daisy. Drop this back in that hole like so. I'll get this screwdriver. Okay, it's locked in. And since we're in the neighborhood, let's just go ahead and knock this one out too while we're here. I really don't want to come back in here in a month if I don't need to. So we're going to push on this one just like we did on the other side. Oh, that one just gave way. So we're looking at the same exact situation here with this. Take that, I don't know what that is, quarter turn maybe, and that will come out. Turn this over, give it a little shake. There's our bulb. Since these are regular incandescent, however you say that, just regular bulbs, incandescent, however the hell you say that, it doesn't matter what side goes where. Okay. Trim on this a little. And fold those over the rest of the way. I mean, you could leave these off, I guess, if you wanted your dash to be white, but I kind of just want to leave it how it is. Okay, and our quarter turn, and we're back in. Those bulbs have both been replaced. So if you look, this here's got the one, the other one's got two, so you can't mix them up. Just don't turn your dial, because it'll throw you off. Okay, there's our two deals we gotta line up. Run that thing all the way cold. Run this all the way cold, because I got them a little bit misaligned, showing you that. There we go. And just make sure they go the way you need them to. Make sure you've got all the settings still. If not, you probably got to realign some things, but yeah, I think we're good. Okay, let's go ahead and punch our dance card here with this. Send it home. All right, she's all the way back together. I don't know if we're going to be able to see much in there. Doesn't really look like it. All right, you can't see me, right? It's because it's dark outside, and we can finally check this out. Everything is back to normal. Everything looks the same as it should. Hopefully this helps you guys out. I will put a link to the bulbs, the pick set, and the size of screwdriver you're going to need down below. This is super easy. Thanks for watching another episode. I have all kinds of Yaris videos coming up. Stay tuned, subscribe. Please subscribe so you can see them. You will be the first ones to get those in your feed if you subscribe. It costs you nothing at all. It's all free for me. So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe. Peace out.